Hey, what's up YouTube? Fady King 951 here, and I'm about to do 12 X-Force rockets by Blastwave Fireworks, as you can see here. It's my first time doing this sort of rocket, the ones where you kind of just leave on the floor. So I don't really know what to expect. Hopefully everything goes good, no injuries and stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. So this is the setup right here, all 12 rockets. And yeah, all right, go ahead, go for it. Remember to dodge in case of anything. Oh, it's pretty dope. Those are badass. Oh. Is that it? Yeah. Damn. That was nice. Different. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think.